Hi, this is Caesar with LaView Security, and today we will learn how to install your weatherproof housing. Materials that will be needed: Ethernet head, weatherproof housing kit, comes with all LaView products, crimper, LaView product, in this case we're using a bullet type camera, Cat5 Ethernet cable that has a RJ45 format of T568B. Let's begin. Grab one end of the Ethernet cable. We will only need to work with one end of the cable. Using the crimper, cut off the Ethernet cap. Remember to use the blade section. From the new end, skin about 1 inch of the plastic cable. Now we open the weatherproof housing kit. There should be 4 items inside your housing kit: housing cap, weatherproof housing, thick rubber washer, thin rubber washer. Run the newly cut Ethernet cable through the housing cap. Place the thick rubber inside the weatherproof housing. Run the Ethernet cable through the weatherproof housing. On the receiving end of your LaView product, we will add the thin rubber. It's termination time. Straighten out the copper wires inside of the Ethernet cable. We are following the RJ45 T568B format, so we must arrange the wires to that order. Once the order of the wires is correct, insert them into a new Ethernet cap. Remember that the order of the wires must be the same as the other end. Use the other end of the Ethernet cable as a reference. If you fail, try again. Grab the crimper and insert the Ethernet cap into the 8-pin hole. Remember to insert through the side labeled 8P. Your new Ethernet cap should be rock solid. We're almost home. Let's go back to your LaView product, where we have placed the thin rubber. Connect the Ethernet cable to your LaView product. Take the weatherproof housing and fasten them together. You can now fasten the cap to the weatherproof housing to secure the cable. You're done. Thanks for watching. If you have any further questions, please use the link below.